Hello, welcome to a spectacular two-bedroom flat located in the heart of the Marina District. You're located just a few blocks to the Marina Greens. You walk into this grand foyer that is pretty open, and there is a very large living room that faces north, lots of morning sun, huge windows, built-in cabinets, fireplace. Here's the view from the living room. It's a very quiet street. It is open to a grand formal dining room. There are French doors leading to the kitchen. Walking through the foyer, we're going to head on down the hallway and show you what is here. Okay, nice big coat closet. This room is the perfect home office. There is a window in here and plenty of space for a desk. Half bath. And there's a sink behind the door as well. Going down the hall just a little bit is a full bath here. You have a toilet, medicine cabinet, tub and shower combined. And there's also a linen closet in the bathroom. Nice modern shower head. Okay. Going down the hall just a little bit is one bedroom here. You can fit a king-size bed in here and more. Nice deep closet, and it goes all the way back. Lots of shelving and storage space. Okay, here is the master bedroom. This fits a king-size bed as well. You have a nice area here, and also towards the back of the bedroom is a bonus room. This is a very bright room. It overlooks a driveway and a shared garden. You also have a nice closet in here as well. Here's the view from this back room and the shared garden. You access this garden from the back porch behind the kitchen. Okay, walking through the main bedroom again. This is located off the street. Actually, both of the bedrooms are located towards the rear of the building. You have a nice bathroom here with shower, his and her sink, medicine cabinet, toilet, and a towel bar. Okay, let's head on towards the kitchen. This is an amazing kitchen with huge island. You have a beautiful range. There's plenty of space here for a breakfast table. There's a dishwasher, microwave, wine fridge, tons of built-in cabinets, and tons of counter space. There's actually a lot of storage in this kitchen. Look at this beautiful range. And you have a Sub-Zero refrigerator. It is immaculate. The freezer's down here at the bottom. Really nice appliances. Okay. Just behind the kitchen are private laundry machines. These are very large front loader machines exclusive for this unit. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com for your private tour. Thanks so much for looking.